Neurodiversity. It's a big word that has become more commonly used over the past 2 decades. Just what is neurodiversity? The National Symposium on Neurodiversity at Syracuse University defined it as a concept where neurological differences are to be recognized and respected as any other human variation. These differences can include those labeled with dyspraxia, dyslexia, ADHD, dyscalculia, autistic spectrum, Tourette syndrome, and others. Neurodiversity started out with a primary focus on those with autism, a complex neurological developmental disorder. The neurodiversity mindset challenges the default assumption that autism itself is a disease or disorder that needs to be eradicated, prevented, or cured. Some people argue that the neurodiversity mindset downplays or overlooks the needs of some individuals, especially those with moderate to severe autism. And the uncomfortable truth is that those with more severe autism do indeed need additional supports, including medical intervention, treatments, and therapies. Their needs cannot be dismissed, and the neurodiversity mindset alone may not be enough to help those individuals live happy and fulfilling lives. However, finding ways to highlight the unique strengths of those with autism and promoting support systems that allow them to live and thrive as autistic people can benefit everyone on the spectrum. Adopting the neurodiversity mindset allows us to recognize that these disabilities or the challenges faced by those with autism or other diagnoses, such as ADHD or dyslexia, may actually be about the person-environment fit. In those cases, by adjusting the environment, we can help the individual minimize what society sees as disabilities and allow their differences to blossom as talents or strengths. In other words, in certain environments, the different ways of thinking can be great assets, even beyond what neurotypical people can offer. In those cases, we don't want to change the person. In fact, what we really like about the neurodiversity model is that instead of focusing way too much on a person's struggles, it gives equal attention to the person's strengths. Even more importantly, it recognizes that all biological variations are natural parts of each person's identity and their sense of self, and they should be given the same respect as any other form of diversity, including gender and ethnicity. And that's just one piece of the puzzle.